I am Captain Khomozo Patsima. I'm the president and founder of Dare to Dream. Dare to Dream Foundation is based at Botswana Digital and Innovation Hub. We are dedicated to the advancement of youth, women and girls in STEM, as well as aviation and aerospace. Today we are here at GICC at Aviadevafrica 2026. This is an opportunity that gave 60 young people, 30 boys and 30 girls, the opportunity to interact, to learn, and also learn about our aviation careers. Today we had Access Tech, which gave the opportunity for young people to do virtual reality. We had NGAP Academy to show them different careers in engines and also piloting. We also had us as Dare to Dream, where they were doing robotics and coding. We also had a partnership with Airbus Foundation, where they were learning how to design aircraft, to do robotics and coding, as well as learn different careers in aviation. This opportunity gave the 60 young people an opportunity of a lifetime, so that when they chose their careers in aviation and aerospace, they know what the future holds. This is very important for our country, Botswana, at this point in time, as we host a premier aviation conference, to have young people who are brilliant and young, who can help us shape the future of our aviation industry.